Hello, my name is Donna. This is DC Education. It is all things elementary education, and this short video is from the Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success program for struggling readers. I hope this is helpful. This is step 3, and it is part 2. This is a long slideshow with various consonant-vowel combinations. So here we go. This is again step 3, consonant vowel combinations. The learner will read the consonant and short vowel sound for each combination on each slide. The learning coach will assist as needed to ensure accuracy and to be practiced to mastery. I will be reading through the slides. Yesterday I did part 1, and today I will be doing part 2. There again are many combinations. As you can see, the slideshow is about 200 slides long. If you would like the slideshow, just leave me a comment below. Thank you. And here we go. Be, ke, de, fe, ge, he, je, ke, le, me, ne, pe, re, se, te, ve, we, ye, ze. Remember these consonant sounds. X, like box, box. K, like cat. G, like get. Y, like yes. I will also go to the end of this slideshow to remind you, as added practice, to print these as flashcards, mix up the order, read each combination aloud, have the student write each combination in their notebook. Also note to refer back to initial lessons as needed to ensure correct consonant and short vowel sounds. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you'll watch further videos in this segment, which is Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.